In today's video, let me tell you a few words about the tools we use for production. Molds are essential tools in carbon composite manufacturing, serving as the foundation upon which prepreg materials are laid to shape the final product. The quality, durability and type of molds significantly influence the manufacturing process and the surface quality of the finished component. Usually our molds are made out of metal or composite. They differ in complexity. They can compose of one or few parts. What are the differences between composite and metal molds? So the composite molds are affordable, quicker to produce and are lightweight, but on the other side they have limited durability and are prone to wear over time. When it comes to metal molds, they represent higher durability and precision, but they are more expensive and heavier. It also takes more time to manufacture them. The longevity of a mold depends on its material and the production conditions. Because the resin molds typically last for a few hundred cycles, depending on care and complexity, but on the other hand, the metal molds can endure thousands of cycles, making them a better investment for large-scale production. In summary, selecting the right mold material and type is crucial for optimizing production quality, cost efficiency and durability. High-quality molds result in premium finished surfaces, reducing the need for additional polishing or repairs. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and see you in another video. Hey!